Oh god, what a wrong timing to start the vlog. I just was dancing for like half an hour straight away for a TikTok video. Yeah, I am kind of back active on TikTok now, so follow me there if you haven't already. Also, I can't scream because I had a really bad throat kind of infection. So I didn't speak for like 2 days straight, and now my voice is sounding like this. So we'll just ignore that. I have few packages to open. One is from Pixi and one is from Poshi. So I just thought I should start the vlog today because I am planning to get back with the vlogs. So let's see how this goes. But first we'll open the box from Pixi and see what we have received. Oh my god, it's a huge jar of goodies. How cool is this? Okay, let's open and see what all is in here. So the first thing I have is the vitamin C lotion, caviar mask. It's a brightening leave-on mask. Next thing we have is the vitamin C juice cleanser. Next thing we have is a vitamin C tonic. Next we have is a vitamin C serum. And yeah, that's basically everything that I had from Pixi. Thank you so much Pixi for sending it. Let's open and see what we have in the other package. Okay, next thing we have are some earrings, and a sweet follower who also owns the shop sent me this. So let's see what's all. Oh my god! Ah! This one, oh my god! It's like perfect for Navratris. I can't wait to wear. Next we have our also oxidized earring, and it's this. It's like half circle. Next up we have is this. It's a fish, I believe, and it's very tiny. Perfect for like everyday use as well. Next up we have are these. I have no clue how to wear this. I'm gonna try and see if it's the right way to wear it. If not, then please don't come at me. I'll just ask her maybe. So this is what it will look like. I'm not sure. It's really loose for me. Like if I dance with this, it will definitely fall. Oh my god. Next up we have are some amazing earrings. Perfect for wedding and Diwali. I'm speechless, honestly. This is looking so good. Like the earring is enough on its own. And the last pair of earrings that we have are, oh my god, again something which is so cool. I'm someone who doesn't prefer such long earrings, but I think I can maybe carry this off. Thank you so much Amita. This is her contact and the IG handle. You can just screenshot and get in touch if you want. Okay, before going I need to show you guys this. I was dancing with my heels on and this is what happened. Like literally my heels broke, and like part of soles are everywhere. Also, if you guys think I'm glowing and what highlighter I'm wearing, it's sweat. What's up you guys? It's Thursday today and I am shooting for a IG video. Now I just wanted to share with you guys of how much light I use in my videos, even for a minor video. Like all the 6 lights are on here, and then there's also a ring light on here. I have also turned on the passage and the kitchen light because this shot is just me walking from here to there. Also, yes, it's a morning routine. I guess by the time this video goes live, it must be up on my IG. So if you haven't yet watched it, what are you even doing? Go ahead and watch it. So I just thought I'll show you guys a little behind the scenes of me shooting my own videos. I hope you enjoy it.
Thousands of tears later.
What's up, you guys? You're looking at Dhwani, who is all recovered from dengue right now. I somehow felt sick on the first day of Navratri. Sorry, second day of Navratri. A week I was like straight up puking and everything, and then I was resting because I had like zero energy. I didn't eat for 3-4 days, and yeah, it was just like Dhwani being all low on energy. Also, I lost 2 kgs. So yeah, that happened, but that's not a big deal. Big deal is that I am back working. I just did a haul, and I couldn't be more happier. I feel so satisfied. I was like literally telling my friends I need to work, but yeah, it just sucks being at home doing nothing. There's a lot of kachra down there. I got this package and I thought I should just open this in the vlog. I'm sorry guys, I'm just... Oh, it's a bag! Blue colored bag from Lace! It says Lace Smile. God, the bag is super fancy, man. Oh shit, I thought I have to open it with the belt. Okay, so let's see what's inside. I hope there's something inside. It is the magic masala chips. It has a face. So there's the also famous and my favorite magic masala. There's flirty tomato tango. There's also cream and onion. I also like this one. This is my second favorite, by the way. Then we have naughty lemon. I haven't tried this yet. And then we have Joyful Magic Masala again, and lastly we have sour cream. Okay, thank you so much, Lace. I can't wait to eat. So I haven't eaten anything outside ka since 2 weeks now. No junk food, nothing at all, not even Maggie. Yes guys, finally food brands are also noticing me now. I need more food. Just kidding. It's Saturday today and I'm like still struggling with my health. I am feeling so weak, and I think a lot of people said that it will take a month to recover, so I am not really worried about that. I just shot the Diwali haul again because the first time that I shot it, the file got corrupt, so one day I wasted in that. Yesterday I wasn't feeling that energized, like, you know, in the video I have to be energized, otherwise you guys will start commenting what's wrong with you, why is your energy so low, and like, yeah, I'll just get hate. Anyway, I got a parcel from Snackable, so I just thought I'll open it and share things with you guys. Not technically share, but like just show you guys what I got. There's a lot of things in here. This Diwali, instead of sugar laden sweet, would like to shower you with the gift of health instead. Do enjoy those delicious snacks to the fullest. Happy Diwali. Wow. Okay, so there are a lot of things. Firstly, we have herbs and cheese makhna. I love makhnas. Then we have chia breadstick with choco almond dip. We have oats and chia chocolate bites, bite-sized deliciousness. It's also gluten-free, amazing. The dark chocolate ragi cookies. Not a fan of dark chocolate, but excited to try this out and see how yummy it is. Then we have peri peri. Oh my god, peri peri sweet potato chips. Ah! We have whole wheat Belgian chocolate chip waffle. Hello, what? And it's whole wheat. A healthy version of waffle. What even? I love chickpeas. Lemon chili chickpeas. Energy bars. I so need this. And lastly, we have cream and onion whole wheat thins. Crackers with a twist. Every freaking thing is super healthy and just what I needed at the moment, to be honest. So thank you so much, Snackable. I can't wait to binge eat actually everything that's in here. Okay guys, so it's Diwali today and I have a bunch of packages to open. I know I'm a little bit late, but I was just occupied with other things. Anyway, so I have a lot of things to open. Some of them are from companies and some of them are from friends and all. So let's go ahead and open this. So I can already see it's dry fruit. There's also a box which is already open. It's from Parle. Yeah. Biscuits. Nice. I actually like this one. Nice. Crackjack butter masala. Monaco pizza. I literally just got this yesterday while I was like grocery shopping. Parle Gold 2020 Gold butter cookies. This one is so pretty. I'm gonna use the basket for something for sure. It's like baby pink with like a white basket. Yes, finally. Okay. So here we have some butter cookies, almonds, cashews, date. It says some luxury chocolates which looks like Ferrero, and then max protein. Wow, healthy stuff, guys. This is a box from PVF. Yeah. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my god. So we have diyas which are really pretty. Oh shit, this is so pretty. It's like a candle, and then you can put in those tiny what do you call this, candles. This is what it looks like. So pretty. I'm gonna use this today. Yeah, thank you so much, TVS. Anyway, next package. So this is from IXYLZ. I have no clue how to pronounce this. Let's fancy. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, there's something crazy happening here. They sent me my pictures. Oh my god. Okay, so there are a lot of pictures. Wait. Oh my god, I was actually, like you can see the wall is empty now, so I was actually gonna do a DIY. Now I think I can use these pictures for that DIY. Wow! Thank you so much, team. I can't wait to actually use all of this. And I think this is a rangoli. Wait, let me just remove my pictures first. This must be a rangoli. I'll actually put it down on the floor and see if it actually works like that. But thank you so much. And this is also so cute. And last, we have, I open it upside down. Oh my god, this is so cool. I always wanted to get one of this. I don't know if you guys have seen this, but you can put in like candles or succulents and all that inside. It's a globe. Oh my god, I always wanted this. So this is what it looks like. And then we have fairy lights. Yay! And lastly, we have the product. This is from Cheryl's and it's their Radiant Lotion. You have to apply this after cleansing and toning, and it just helps to give you like a smooth skin, like reducing fine lines and wrinkles. Hi guys, I'm back. So I just went on a trip and came back and got some more packages to open. So I thought I'll just combine this with the vlog. So I hope you don't mind that. So much bubble wrap in this. Meghna Kaur had a collab with Nykaa. Wow, I was clearly not in touch. So cool. So she has collaborated for Lit Eyebrow Definer Pencil and Health Pencil. Excited to use this. Congratulations, Meghna. You look so amazing, girl. Yeah, good model. Okay, so first we have. Yay! So it's a LED light or fairy light. So this one is by Venus. Happy Diwali. Glide, glow, go, repeat. I hope that's the way you read it. And then inside the pouch we have so in this we have the razor body, the blades and the shaving gel. This is so useful. By the way, this pouch is available on Nykaa and Flipkart. You can get it and gift it to someone. Last is from Nykaa. Bubble wrap, bubble wrap. Oh, this is by Coco Soul. This is like a passport. Ah! Okay, never mind. It is a little dark blue now. Everything in here smells so coconutty. Is that even a word? I have no clue. Oh my god, there are like 5 tubes. So first we have the shower gel, then body lotion. This is the shampoo, I believe. Face wash, and lastly we have the conditioner. So thank you so much. I'm so excited to use this. It's available on Nykaa, guys, if you want to try it out. And yeah, that's it for this unboxing. I know it was all over the place and there were a lot of boxes and everything, but I just hope you guys had fun because I love watching the unboxing hauls of videos, and I hope you guys enjoy it too. If you do, then please don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to work hard, be kind and stay positive. I'll see you guys in my next video now. Also, yeah, get excited. A travel vlog is coming up soon. Bye!